It's cold out again, as usual, so I decided to do up this budget-friendly, simple and easy yet delicious hamburger soup. What you want to do first is add some oil to a Dutch oven. Now, you don't have to use a Dutch oven, you can use a stock pot or even a pot for that matter. Add in the star of the show, about a pound of lean ground beef. Now, I'm using lean ground beef here. You can just use regular if you want it a little bit fattier, but I like mine fairly lean. Then I'm just going to break this up and brown it. This will take, I'd say 4 minutes or so. Now we've nicely browned up here, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic and half a chopped small onion, followed by a stalk of chopped celery, a cup of mixed veggies. You can use fresh, but you know, the mixed is just far easier. And a small chopped potato, and make sure you chop this fairly thin and fine because it cooks a lot faster. Okay, we'll just give this a stir and saute this up for a few minutes. Stirring and sauteing. Oh my goodness, guys, this smells good. Just the smell of onion and garlic sauteing. Then I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Just make things a little richer and thicken things up. Add more if you like. A teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of oregano, and last but not least, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now we'll just go ahead and throw this in. Give this a stir until that tomato paste covers everything. Oh, again, the smell. Yum. Now, a can of diced tomatoes, and this is Italian, and the Italian diced tomatoes and the Italian seasoning just makes it spectacular. Lastly, 4 cups of beef stock. Give this a quick stir, and we'll bring it to a boil. Okay, we got a nice boil going on here, so I'm just going to slip a lid on, reduce the heat, and we'll let this simmer away for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are done. Oh my goodness, and just look at this, my friends. Just delicious goodness. So fast, so easy, and so inexpensive. Okay, let's go ahead and ladle this into a bowl. Oh, I wish you were here to smell this. And there you have it, guys, our simple, easy, and economical hamburger soup. Oh, so good. Okay, let's dig in here, guys. Make sure I get a bit of everything. And we'll give this a taste test. I mean, what more can I say than wow? This is so good. You know, a wonderful comfort food. So warm, so good. Oh, so well seasoned. Just incredible, guys. You got to make this. And so easy to make, and budget-wise, like $2 a person. Wow. I'm gonna have more. Serve this up with some nice buns or toast, Italian bread, French bread. Love it on a cold day. As always, for the full scoop on this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com, tune into the radio station, and if you want to see more recipes, subscribe. Hit that like button if you like what you saw. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and as always, see you next time.